Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about slicing strings in Python. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. With slicing, you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index, separated by a colon, to return a part of the string. For example, let us see my screen. B equals double quotes hello world double quotes. Then I want to type print B 2 5. Okay, you can see the result is LLO. Now I will discuss about slice from the start. By leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. For example, B equals hello world, print B 5. You can see the result is hello. Next topic is about slice to the end. By leaving out the end index, the range will go out the end. Okay, I will make an example for this. B equals hello world, print B 2. You can see the result is LLO space WORLD. Next topic is about negative indexing. Use negative index to start the slice from the end of the string. For example, B equals hello world, print B -5 -2. You can see the result is WOR. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.